Dear students, in last classes we discussed other three mortality rates. They are CDR, crude death rate, ASDR, age specific death rate, and STDR, standardized death rate. And they are unique as they take total population into consideration, that is total deaths irrespective of their age and gender, and total population. And other three mortality rates, they are infant mortality rate, neonatal mortality rate, and maternal mortality rate. Here certain characteristics of a population is taken into account for calculation purpose. First one, infant mortality rate, we will discuss. So infant mortality rate. So infant means a baby of 1 year or below 1 year. So a baby, newly born baby within 1 year, it is called as a infant. And here it studies death of infant babies. The name indicates infant mortality rate. So here the definition is average number of infant deaths per 1,000 live births in a year. So that is, among the newly born babies in a year, how many of them died before reaching their first birthday. So here total population is not taken, instead total births are taken. So out of total births, how many infant, that is how many of them died within 1 year. So the formula based on the definition is IMR is equal to number of deaths among infants in a year divided by total number of live births in the same year into 1,000. So here live births are taken from the same year. So in that year itself, how many of them died before reaching their first year birthday. Okay, so here again one more thing which we should give more importance, that is stillbirths are not included in the infant deaths. So stillbirth means a baby which took birth after dying in the womb of mother itself. That is, it took birth after dying, it doesn't born alive. So such infants are neglected here, they are not included in the calculation of infant mortality. Even if a baby died after an hour or after 15 minutes, but which took birth alive, if it dies within few minutes also, that is taken into account for calculation of infant mortality rate. But if a baby born by dying in the womb of mother, that is not included in the infant mortality rate. That is, it indicates the health and nutrition and socio-economic development of the region. So in India, IMR is 46.07, that is per 1,000 live births, 46.07 babies die within reaching their first year birthday, out of which male IMR is 44.71, whereas female IMR is 47.59. That means here out of 40,000 male children, 44.71 male children are dying, and out of total female live births, 47.59 females are dying within 1 year as per the 2012 records. So this is the infant mortality rate. Next comes neonatal mortality rate, in short NMR. So here neonatal means a baby which is less than 28 days, or a baby up to 28 days is referred as a neonatal baby. So the definition is average number of neonatal deaths per 1,000 births in a year. So here also total births are taken into consideration. Out of total live births, again here total live births, out of total live births, how many of them died within 28 days or within 4 weeks from their birth? That is referred as a neonatal mortality rate. And based on this, the formula is total number of deaths of neonatal babies in a year divided by total number of live births occurring in the same year into 1,000. So per 1,000 live births, how many children are dying within 4 weeks or within 28 days? So here again in India, NMR is 32 per 1,000 in the year 2010. So out of 1,000 live births, 32 babies are dying within 28 days in the year, and IMR is 47. So after completion of 28 days also babies are dying, and in that in the previous slide we studied 46 out of total live births are dying within 1 year, and that 47 includes this 32. So 47 within 1 year and 32 babies are dying within 28 days. Around 60% of the infants' death are neonatal deaths, that is indicated here. So 32 out of 47, 32 are neonatal babies. And next one is maternal mortality rate, MMR. So here we study death of mothers, not babies. So maternal mortality rate, death of mothers, that is due to causes relating to the childbirth. This here death of mothers due to the cause of death because of childbirth. That may be because of lack of nutrition before giving birth to a baby, a mother may die, or after giving birth also mother may die, or even where in the rural areas no medical aid, before reaching to the hospital mother may die on the way itself, or maybe various reason or critical delivery situation. For various reason even mother also may die. If mother dies due to childbirth causes, that is referred as maternal mortality rate, MMR. And definition is average number of deaths among mothers due to causes relating to childbirth per 1,000 births in a year. So here per 1,000 births, they are not mentioned here live births, but per 1,000 birth. Even if a baby took birth after dying, that is stillbirth, then also if stillbirth and mother also died, that is also taken into account here. That because of childbirth cause itself mother has died here. So even if a baby died also, then also it is taken into account for the calculation of MMR. And total number of formula is total number of deaths of mothers due to childbirths in a year divided by total number of births in a year into 1,000. So MMR is the index of general healthiness of female population of the childbearing age. That means MMR indicates the healthiness of the female population of childbearing age here. And maternal mortality is also called puerperal deaths. Here we complete the maternal mortality rate, and in next class we solve the problems on these three concepts. Thank you.